Ever wonder what $16,000 gets you here in Godley, Texas? Let's take a look at how this 24 by 25 tubular metal building came to life, from permits to spray foam and everything in between. Welcome back, Pack. Ed here from our WolfSteel marketing department. What you're going to be seeing today might be compact, but this setup packs power in every square foot. Located right behind the client's home, this project was designed to be simple, practical, and budget-friendly. A garage workshop that looked sharp, fit the property, and stayed within reach. This 24 by 25 tubular build might look straightforward, but every inch of it was carefully planned, from the clean charcoal walls and black trim to the black roof tying it all together. The focus here wasn't on fighting setbacks, it was on perfecting the process. Every screw, every panel, every decision that led to what you see now. A WolfSteel build that proves great design doesn't need to be complicated. Before we dive in, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next WolfSteel project we bring to life.
Currently shopping for a Texas metal building? WolfSteel is Texas built for Texans. We don't just build structures, we build for hobbyists, business owners, car enthusiasts, or anyone who needs or wants a custom metal building where things get done. Red iron or tubular, bolt up or weld up, site prep, concrete, demolition, insulation, gutters, custom doors, cedar add-ons, masonry. WolfSteel does it all in one place, so your project gets done the right way with control. We're control freaks here. And here's the difference. Our clients don't choose us because we're the cheapest. They choose us because every project goes through multiple checks, and we don't hand it over until it's done right. Don't take it from us. Take it from our endless reviews. Keep in mind, we do not service outside of our service area. We do not provide just materials, and we do not provide just metal building kits. We don't do standalone concrete or standalone spray foam. We do full turnkey Texas metal building projects. If you fall within our service area, contact us today. If not, I hope that our channel helps you with your future metal building project.
If you've been tuning into our videos, you already know the WolfSteel process usually starts from permitting, design, site prep, to concrete building and finishing touches. But for this project, it was a little different from what you've been seeing lately. This build started back in June, and for this one, the client decided to outsource his own concrete. That's completely fine. It's something clients can do, but it does change a few things on our end. Here's why. When a client handles their own concrete, WolfSteel can't pull the building permits. Most cities, like Godley, Texas, require the building and the concrete to be pulled together. We cannot pull a permit if we're not the contractor pouring the concrete, and that's something we take seriously. That's why, whenever a client chooses to handle their own slab, we make sure they still have the right tools for success. We provide a custom concrete floor plan and perform a foundation inspection, ensuring the slab meets our structural requirements before we ever start building. Like our marketing director Ananda always says, your building is only as strong as the foundation it sits on. And that's why, whether we handle the concrete or not, our goal remains the same: to make sure your building stands strong for years to come. The client was cleared to pour his concrete and get the site ready for the building. Our team went out in August after the slab was poured to perform a foundation inspection, since the client handled his own concrete, making sure everything met the specs before we could move forward. Now, if you're from Texas, you already know the weather doesn't always play by the rules. Sometimes it's not a question of if delays happen, but when. Heavy rain and unpredictable conditions pushed the schedule back several weeks, but by late September, the sun finally gave us a break, and that's when this 24 by 25 started to take shape. The framing and the final inspection were completed by the city during the first week of October, giving us the green light to move forward with our final step: spray foam insulation. And once we got the city approval, our insulation crew moved in and wrapped up the project with precision, sealing everything tight and ready for years of use. As you saw from the title and the start of the video, the entire project came together for just under $16,000. And here's exactly what that included. A 24 by 25 tubular metal building standing 10 feet tall, built with 14 gauge galvanized square tubing and a 3-toe roof pitch, standard on all of our buildings, the perfect balance between strength and simplicity. The color combo keeps it sleek. Black roof and trim, paired with charcoal for the walls and base trim as well. All finished with vertical 29 gauge panels, which is an upgrade from the standard horizontal option. Now, if you were to ask me, you just can never go wrong with a black roof and the charcoal walls. It's a great color combination that I love seeing on our metal buildings. For accessibility and function, the client went with one 10x8 roll-up door in white, complete with a brush seal kit to help block dust, pests, and help minimize the lighting coming inside your building. You also opted in for a 36x84 walk-in steel door and one 36x36 double pane window to bring in natural light. Inside, the client added 1-inch closed-cell spray foam on the roof and walls, finished in the standard yellow color, paired with foam gap enclosures that keep everything sealed tight and clean. Now, if you're wondering what other insulation options we do offer for our tubular metal buildings, go check the video shown above where our team go over those options and which one they recommend going with. Altogether, the compact build proves that smart design, clean finishes, and the right materials can still deliver big value, even on a smaller footprint. So there you have it, a 24x25 garage workshop built with intention, quality, and precision. From permits to installation and every step in between, this project highlights what happens when precision meets purpose. At WolfSteel, we're not just putting up structures, we're building custom solutions that work for your space, your lifestyle, and your budget. So if you enjoyed this project and want to see more real builds and cost breakdowns like this one, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and who knows, maybe the next WolfSteel story we tell will be yours.
Pack! Stay up to date with everything we're up to by checking out our social media. You can find us at WolfSteel Buildings for behind the scenes actions. We share our latest projects, updates on what the team is working on, and all the exciting progress happening in real time. Don't miss out on the action and give us a follow.